At NSCC, we use for our CAD courses and our modeling courses Ascent books. And one thing that's common with all the Ascent books is that in order to do the assignments in it, that you need to download what are called practice files. These are existing files that you would use the open command with and so on. So you'd have to download those. Now, if you have a print book, there's a hyperlink that you would have to type into your browser. I have an electronic version of the book, so when I go to the table of contents, there's practice files. I can just click on that. This is the link you would have to type in if you have a print book. It doesn't matter which browser you use. Because mine's an electronic copy, I can just click on the hyperlink. So it says download now. This is the specific page for the specific book. And if you click on download now, it will begin downloading a zip file. And that's what it did. It was very fast, but in my downloads folder, it downloaded a file, odd name, but it's just some code name they use, a zip file, and this happens to be the file that's inside of it. One of the quirks of Windows 10, at least this version, is that when you download a zip file, it automatically opens up in Windows Explorer to show you what's inside. So, inside that zip file. So I'm going to click back on download. So here's the zip file, and I'm going to extract it. So I right-click, and I'm going to just extract it right where it is. And of course, it opened up that folder. So this is a self-extracting file. The reason it wasn't emailed direct or sent downloaded directly is because computers, antivirus programs have difficulties with exe files. So if you just double click on it, it'll start the program for extracting it. And in the case of this file, it's going to, or this particular file, it's going to download it to, on the C drive, to a folder with this name. So it really depends on you as to where you want to save it. I know students who put their on the H drive for their network drive, but that's only available when you're on campus. If you're using your own laptop, you could save it to the C drive of that. If you put it on thumb drive, at least you can take it with you and use it on any computer that has CAD. So if you click unzip, voila, only 107 files unzipped. If it was Revit or Inventor, it would take a little longer because those files are a bit larger. So I'm going to close this. I'll close this window. And if we look at my C drive, so if I go to my C drive, there is the folder right there. And these are the files that are used in that textbook. The files, they may be practice exercises, they may be actual assignments. So anyway, so that's how you do it. Okay.